Hello Virtuous family, welcome to VirtuousSkills. My name is Nancy. In today's video, what I have for you is how to prepare multiple fruit salad. That is the fruit on the countertop looking so beautiful and inviting after mixing them together. I'm sure you clicked the video to know how I came up with this beautiful and healthy salad on the countertop. Then let's dive right into the video. The fruit we have for the multiple fruit salad today are set on the countertop. These are fruits that are very easy to get where I am. You can use any fruit of your choice. I got red apple, green apple, avocado, banana, English cucumber, watermelon, seedless grape, and pawpaw. As I earlier said, for the dressing I got cold liquid milk and condensed milk. Please, when the time to use it comes, I'm gonna bring it out. Alright, as I earlier said, these are the fruits that are very common where I am, and it's also common in all over the world. All the same, if you're allergic to any of the fruit mentioned, you can feel free to use any fruit of your choice. Alright, next is to prep our fruits. Please do bear in mind that before prepping the fruit, we've washed them carefully already with our vinegar. You can as well wash with your salt to disinfect them. There's no problem about that. I've started with the watermelon, as you can see, and as I prep the watermelon, I'll be discussing some of the fruit's benefits so that you will know the one you are allergic to and the one you are not allergic to before eating. Alright, watermelon is packed with nutrients including antioxidant and vitamin A and C. It also helps one to stay hydrated. Watermelon has anti-cancer effects and it can improve heart health. Next on our list is cucumber. You know, the shape or sizes you cut to your fruits really matters a lot. You cut it in a way that it will be very easy to eat, and secondly in a way that it will look attractive when looking at it. Alright, so cucumber detoxifies our body and it keeps our brain healthy. Cucumber relieves constipation and it lowers the risk of cancer. Cucumber keeps your body cool and hydrated. It keeps the kidney healthy. Very healthy for that matter. Start eating your cucumber today. It is very important, and keep your kidney healthy. This is pawpaw. It plays a very big role when it comes to fruit salad, and it contains high level of antioxidant, vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Diets high in antioxidants may reduce the risk of heart diseases. Alright, it lowers cholesterol and it helps boost immunity. Pawpaw promotes hair growth. It is very important to note that you have to consult your doctor before eating pawpaw while pregnant. Alright, and pawpaw seeds are not left out as well. They are said to relieve menstrual pain, but before using the pawpaw seed, please consult your doctor because I'm not a doctor. Alright, this is avocado. It may help promote a healthy body weight. Avocado helps reduce heart disease risk factor. Eating avocado during pregnancy and breastfeeding is a smart way to get enough of certain vitamins and minerals like potassium, vitamin C, and vitamin B6. This is seedless grapes. It is very important to use seedless grapes when it comes to fruit salad, but why you can't get this where you are, buy any grape you see and carefully remove the seeds. Seedless grapes are packed with vitamin C. It is a powerful antioxidant that plays a key role in immune system health, connective tissue development, and wound healing. They are also a source of vitamin K, which helps with blood clotting and maintaining healthy bones, as well as potassium, which is very important in taking care of our kidney and heart functions, muscle contraction. This is green apple. You can peel off the skin or leave the skin intact. There is no problem about that. Green apples are a very great source of vitamin A, B, C, E, and K. It improves digestion and it cleanses the liver. It strengthens immune system and it reduces the risk of cancer. It also helps make joints stronger. It prevents asthma and improves vision. This is red apple. It is very powerful. It prevents obesity and it protects against heart disease. Red apple protects against diabetes because of its fiber content. It lowers cholesterol. Red apple contains more antioxidant than green apple. Can you hear that? And they are more delicious as well. This is banana. It is one of the common fruits you can find in any part of the world. They are rich in nutrients and it may improve blood sugar level. It supports digestive health and it supports heart health. Banana helps to feel fuller each day and it may improve insulin sensitivity when unripe. These and many more are the health benefits of the fruits I mentioned, and you can as well Google to know more. These are the fruits. We are done prepping them. Can you see how beautiful they all line up? Wow, this is absolutely beautiful. I feel like eating them immediately even without mixing them. So next is to mix them together. As you can see, I got my watermelon already in the clean bowl. Now I've added the cucumber, next pawpaw, green apple, red apple, seedless grape, avocado, banana, and after which I will mix them very well to combine. For the fruit dressing, I'll be using cold liquid milk as I earlier said, and condensed milk as well. This is my choice. You can use any milk of your choice or either of them. There is no problem about that. You can as well use mayonnaise for the dressing or even honey. Alright, they all goes. After which, mix very well to combine, and here we have our multiple fruit salad. Yeah. Virtuous family, this is how we are going to take it this afternoon. Okay, you can pair it just like it is or add it just as I'm adding on the video. That is your choice, and there is no problem about that at all. On this junction, Virtuous family, our multi-fruit salad is ready. Let's go to the table and do it some good. Virtuous family, we are done, and this is going to serve as my kids' lunch today. This fruit salad is very healthy for both kids and adults. You can add more fruit or reduce. There's no problem about that. Eat healthy and stay healthy as well. Hope you enjoy every clip of today's video just as we enjoy bringing it at your doorstep. If you do enjoy the video, please give the video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel with your bell on to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share the video to family and friends and drop your beautiful comment to encourage us. This is all we have for you for today's video. From me and all my crew, thank you so much for watching. Always remain blessed, and we will see you in our next one. Bye bye.